You can eat 150 grams of protein a day, train 5 times a week, and take omega-3s daily. But if you're over 55 and not taking these 2 supplements before bed, you're wasting your time. You still won't build muscle, especially as you age. You've probably been told omega-3s help fight inflammation and build muscle, right? Well, that's not entirely true. I'll reveal 2 nighttime vitamins far more powerful for muscle growth and anti-aging, and why they work better. Muscles determine how long you live. The more muscle you have, the lower your risk of age-related diseases like sarcopenia. But muscle growth happens while you sleep, mainly between 12 a.m. and 2 a.m. So what you take before bed matters more than what you take in the morning. 1. Magnesium. The best type is magnesium glycinate. Taken before bed, it triggers protein synthesis and helps relax your muscles and nervous system for deeper sleep. The stage where growth hormone is released. This hormone is vital for recovery and muscle repair, especially after 55 when production drops. Magnesium also helps move amino acids into muscle cells, ensuring the protein you eat actually gets used to build tissue. Around 80% of seniors are magnesium deficient, and standard blood tests rarely detect it. Medications for reflux, blood pressure, and diabetes drain magnesium, worsening muscle loss. Plus, as you age, your stomach produces less acid, making magnesium harder to absorb from food alone. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that magnesium supplementation boosted strength and lean mass in older adults within 12 weeks. Take 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate 30 minutes before bed. If you prefer food sources, try grilled salmon with spinach and pumpkin seeds, rich in both magnesium and healthy fats for better absorption. 2. Zinc. Choose zinc picolinate or zinc glycinate for better absorption. Taken at night, zinc boosts testosterone during sleep, vital for muscle repair and growth, especially in men over 55. It also supports over 300 enzymes that build and repair tissue and improves deep sleep quality, which means higher growth hormone release. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that zinc supplements significantly increased lean mass and muscle strength in seniors. Take 15 to 30 milligrams about 30 minutes before bed on an empty stomach or 2 hours after eating. Avoid pairing zinc with calcium or iron. They block absorption. Natural sources include grass-fed beef with roasted chickpeas and mushrooms, topped with pumpkin seeds for an extra zinc boost. If you're serious about building strong, healthy muscle at your age, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like these.